Hi everyone, join me as I guide you on how to enter super and subscripts in Word. Open up your Word document in your PC. Now, let's type in a number here. Now, to add a superscript to the number, you select the number you want to turn into a superscript. Now, let's add this into a superscript. Then, in the home section of the tab, you click on the X with the 2 above it to add superscript, and you can see that the 3 has been added or turned into a superscript. To enter a subscript, you select the number you want to turn into a subscript, then you select the X with the 2 below to add subscript to the number. As you can see, it is now in subscript format. So that's it guys, easy and quick. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more videos. See you in the next video.